Hello guys, once again Richard's Adventures. Just an update. We've updated our tree, our wishing tree Easter style now. Got Easter eggs on there now. I'll show what we're doing to the garden. We've got a few plants inside here. And I'm about to do tulips. Where are we? The tulips have come out. I need to find a wire to this for the lights. So I'm putting them in a shed because one got a bit broken, so I need to tidy this up a bit. Need to cut the grass. I cleaned up here a bit more. Yeah. This will be back over here, but I might put it here for more people when they do come. I might give it a paint up as well, make it a bit more nicer. Because it crumbled away, I forgot to varnish it, didn't I? Yeah, I tidied this up a bit. As you can see, made it a bit more nicer because the green stuff you see is spearmint. I'm growing spearmint. So some of it's already ready to pick. No, I'll try not to, might get too diseased. But it's alright at the moment. Go just ground the water later. I moved out, which the insects home was here. I moved it here. Well, that hammer won't be there. Just doing it DIY. And the grass we can chuck it at the back there. It's home for the insects. You've got to look after the insects. All the rubbish we picked out. And here, we've done that, don't want to get instruction of that, this bit. Here we're going to do like potatoes. That should be dying, I cut that down. And the buds have come through on the plant. So, the grape plant, the buds have come through. So now it's the start of the season. Now they can start growing. They should start flowering soon. So I give it another, what, few more weeks? At least. It's going to branch out. Oh. Do want to go that way because of the cobweb. I don't like to ruin the cobweb. I'll show you what I've gone around here. Here we are. Showing about the flag is falling down. The plant got a bit structured for that. Anyway, yeah. It's the plant that's going to grow and it's designed so it's going to go across here. Got to keep it trimmed up though, must remember that. And it's going to twine up here and go across our windows and across here. Yeah, got to keep forgetting to give that a clean. And I've got chairs here, so when you sit here, you can imagine you've got the plants behind you, rounded round like a special area. Got some plants, put a few here, put a few there. Just was playing a game on this, roll up the ball. But yeah, got chats most of the stuff here. Give this place a clean up to make it a bit more nicer. Yeah, throws my back with a shed here. I don't know what this is. My mum picked this up. I don't know what she picked this up for. A fence, we've got to get rid of that somehow. Don't know why it picked up in the first place, to be honest. Really don't. Anyway, that's it. Then we've got to cut the grass and look a bit better. It's a nice place to sit though, isn't it? But I want to put chair there, chair here, and chair here. So that way, sort of in an angle here. So that way you won't be able to touch the plants at the back. It says using a fence, so use a chair. Got my camera on for the cat sitting over there. It went all the way over to here. Didn't you? It's only a bumblebee. I'll show the garden in a minute. Some say you see I've done the potatoes where I put the chair back. Put the pots there so the barrier they can't go. So I'll start growing soon. And I've got the grape plant here. Hopefully, this is the 6th or 7th year now. It's been a while, but this hopefully it does its stuff. She's having her nose around. Where's she off to? All the rubbish I collected in there. I should have done to the garden. I tidied it up somewhat. I've got to cut the grass yet. I tidied it up here so my mum can stick some more plants in here. I put my tree in here, the Christmas tree I had. I thought it needed to be in the garden because it's a tree. Tidied this up. Still a lot of weeding to it. I've done the weeding. I've got stinging nettles in my hands, stinging like mad at the moment. Yeah, I still feel the pain. I see what one caused a lot of pain. There's this freaking one here, just here. I touched that. Oh, it's got spikes all over it. And I tidied it. I've changed it around here just to make it look a bit nice. Got my old YouTube subscriber numbers, old numbers, all scattered around here somewhere. I didn't feel it after that. I couldn't be bothered after that. Yeah, there's a lavender plant. Some of it's slightly come to lavender smell. See it seed up a bit. Nice smell. And yeah, to decorate it. The challenge is to find 2 cats, 2 Tiddleses and 2 Katies. But yeah, they're coming through lovely.